Welcome to my channel today. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use lists in Word document mobile app. There are two types of lists that are made available in the mobile version of Word. They are number lists and bulleted. So I will explain them and how we do that practically in this video. So let's get started. The first step is to access the Word app. So by now I believe you have already installed it on your mobile phone, be it iPhone or Android phone. So we get started. I like getting to the app using the final search. So you can open your own app gallery, get the app there, open it and keep on working with it. So let me work with my own style. Let's go. Swipe up. In the final search section, I will type Word. Okay, that shows up I'll bring up the file, the app. I'll tap on it for it to open. Now you can see the list of documents I have already created some time ago on this app. But let me work with a new document in this video. So I will tap on the plus sign for the app for me to be shown some options. Here I can see blank documents and templates. Okay, templates include classic, welcome, tutorial, take notes, and the rest. But we are working with blank document. I will like working with this so that we can start from fresh. All right, from scratch, and then we'll do whatever thing we want to do. So tap on blank document. Now the document has opened. So let me make a kind of statement. Then from there I'll start listing. These are the fruits you need to make you healthy. Okay? Alright. Then I'll tap on the enter button. Alright. Now let me start listing. So under it you can see some list bulleted first before number. So I will start working with bulleted first. So I will tap on the bullet icon or the bullet command. I see that here. Tap on it. You see one bullet is already placed in the document. I say Apple. After typing the first item, I click on the enter button, enter key for another bullet to be added. Then I say orange. Okay. Banana. Alright. Then I still tap on the enter button, enter key. Which other fruit? Okay, pear, and so on. Alright, this is for the bulleted. If you want to use bulleted to list items, okay, then let me use the number list. Okay, I can say, okay, there are some qualities you need to have as a writer. These qualities are as follow. Then I'll start listing. Then I'll tap on the enter key. Then after tapping on the enter key, then tap on the number list, which is after bulleted. It's on the home command or the home tab. So tap on it, then has added number 1, ability to create stories. Okay. Then after that I hit the enter button. She has done that. For it to add another number, consistency, focus, and the rest. So let me just stop it here. Then this is how to do what? To add the number listing. If you want to stop the listing, hit again the enter button, tap on the number listing command. You can see it has gone up. So these are just the few steps you need to take to use list commands, in Microsoft Word mobile app. Here I explain bulleted and number list. These are the two major list types made available in Microsoft Word mobile. If you are using the desktop version, we will have up to 3 types of number listings there, which is multiple added to these two. So thank you. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment. Thank you once again.